Welcome to our housekeeping training program. In this short video presentation, we will provide you with essential tips and techniques to elevate our cleaning standards and deliver exceptional service. A housekeeping staff member should wear a proper uniform. Preparing for cleaning. Before you begin cleaning, make sure you have all the necessary supplies, cleaning agents, microfiber cloths, mops, and other tools. Remember to wear personal protective equipment for your safety. Start by removing any clutter and organizing the room. Check for any maintenance issues or damaged items and report them to the appropriate department. Dusting and surface cleaning. Dust all surfaces, starting from the top and working your way down. Use microfiber cloths to trap dust effectively. Pay attention to commonly overlooked areas such as computer, laptops, cupboards and baseboards. Use appropriate cleaning solutions to mop and sanitize the floors, leaving them spotless. Floor mopping demonstration. Floor cleaning. Bathroom cleaning. Glass window cleaning. Clean and sanitize all bathroom fixtures, including the sink, toilet and mirrors. Pay special attention to high-touch areas like faucets and doorknobs. Ensure proper disinfection to maintain hygiene standards. Vacuum or sweep the floors to remove dust and debris. Pay attention to corners and hard-to-reach areas. Throw away leftover solution and clean the container. Thank you for participating in our housekeeping training program. For any questions or further assistance, please reach out to the housekeeping department. Together, let's maintain the highest cleaning standards and ensure a remarkable guest experience.